So let's summarize the key takeaways from this new procedure. The processor and heatsink are installed on the system board as a single assembly. This is in contrast to the procedure for post-production servers. Remove the entire assembly from the system board by loosening 4 Torx 30 nuts in the exact order as indicated on the top of the heatsink. First 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. If the processor is to be replaced, use extreme care in the TIM slot to separate the processor from the heatsink. Hold the processor by the long edge of the processor carrier. Apply only 8 dots of thermal grease. After replacing the assembly on the socket on the system board, fully tighten the nuts in the exact order as indicated on the top of the heatsink. First 1, then 2, then 3, and finally 4. Tighten each nut until it bottoms out on the system board socket plate.